Okay, this is part 3, and now we're looking at the next program in the 120 character entries for Atari, which is, I think I said something else before. It's actually number 7. Number 7 winner was called Alpha versus Numeric. Oops, wrong window, sorry. La 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 la. 1-5, okay. Alpha versus Numeric, press start. So there's a bunch of numbers on one side and a bunch of letters on the other side. And you're supposed to type them. It's a 2-player game. And you're supposed to type the numbers from the inside out. So I should, the left player here needs to go 2, 2, 6, and then 3, 6, and then I think you can go out of order. So I can just do 2 down there, or 0, 0, 5. And I think you're trying to clear the screen first. L, H, X. So, I don't know. Kind of. The funny thing is, okay, so it gets faster and faster. I started inventing the same game. I did not submit this game, but I'll show you something. Here it is. I started this game. It was going to be called something like Mavis Beacon loses her freaking mind, or Mavis Beacon has a nervous breakdown, or something. This is my unfinished game, which is really similar to Alpha versus Numeric. And the idea is that things appear and you need to type them. And the idea was it was really going to be an impossible game that just started slow but then got stupid fast, stupid hard, stupid hard fast. So I did it the other way. So you need to type the things from the outside first. So here I need to type A and K, F, K, Y, and then underline S, S. And you can do any order. So I could do the T at the bottom or something. U, W. Anyway, so you just go out and out, and you try to, it's just stupid, hard, and impossible. But basically, it seems like the same game as the Alpha versus Numeric. Although mine was 1 player and theirs was 2. So, silly. Like that. All right, now I need to go back to the other disk image while we watch Alpha versus Mavis Beacon lose her mind again. Here's the disk image I need. So I use the Atari 800 Mac OS X emulator, which is really the only emulator for the Mac. It's a little out of date. It needs to be updated. The guy who, it's open source, but the guy who updates it has been busy with his life and things, so it's starting to get a little long in the tooth, though. Okay, so the next entry is tied for number 10, called Nail Race. Let's check that out. Looking down the list for Nail Race, number 4. Ah! Oh, I wasn't ready for this. That's loud, and I'm driving, and there's snails. Not snails, but nails on the road, and I'm trying to avoid them using the joystick, and button doesn't seem to do much of anything. Let's see, I'm trying to crash on purpose. I'm hitting things like crazy, and it doesn't seem to care. Aside from the noise of the game, which I find disturbing, I'm not sure what I'm supposed to be doing here, because there seems to be no consequences to anything. Can't speed up, can't slow down. My points are going up and up and up. I can drive off the road. Yay, look at me. Okay. This is an excellent start to a game, but it feels like it's a little polish at the end that's missing. I'm going to stop that right now because, ooh, did not like that noise in my headphones. If you died when you hit a nail, that would probably make the game a lot better. Okay, next one tied with the exact same score for number 10 is Anteater, I think. Cold start, on pause. Anteater, number 9 here. Okay, so it's tied for number 10. Oh, yes. This is... Alright, this is that game, Anteater, the arcade game. You're an anteater and you've got a tongue and you try to eat all the ants, I guess, because you're an anteater. And you can't go back on yourself. You hit the button to reverse. You eat as many of the ants as possible. In the arcade game, there's bad guys who try to eat. Oh, here comes someone. See that dot up there? If he touches me, I'm dead. That star, that asterisk. So I need to, if he touches my tongue, I'm dead. And I'm dead. So I got a high score, but I was killed by the first guy who found me. So, all right, so now I've learned a strategy is to not let my tongue get so far that the first bug to come along kills me. Can I go up? I can go up too. All right, so I'm going to kind of proactively reverse. This is cool. Oh, here comes a bad guy. What am I supposed to do to avoid him? Can I eat him? Ah, you can eat him with the front of your tongue, right. But if he touches the side or any other part than the very tip of your tongue, you're dead. Here's another one. It seems like the problem is now I can't actually eat any more ants. I'm spending most of my time dealing with the little asterisk star bugs that are trying to get me. Here's another one. This has the potential to be fun. I feel like it needs a little polish because I'm spending all my time doing bug remediation. This one's coming up on me fast. What? Don't know why I died this time. Alright, I liked that. Maybe it needs a little polish, but I felt like it definitely was better than some of the lower ranked games that we have seen. Okay, we'll do one more in this video. Tempest, which I know was done by my friend Bill Kendrick. Ooh, there was my phone. Let's see, Tempest. So yeah, my buddy Bill did this. He has been a prolific entrant in this game before. So yeah, this is a version of Tempest in 10 lines of basic. When I push left, it goes counterclockwise. When I push right, it goes clockwise. Oh, here comes things at me. Definitely saw badness happening. I don't know how to shoot. Shooting is not working in the traditional way. Bill, I don't know what's happening. Up, down, left, right. Shooting, shooting. I don't see what, I don't get it. I don't understand. It looks like a little mini Tempest, and I can definitely see bad guys coming up the chutes. I don't know, Bill. Sorry. Alright, on to the next video.